Spirulina is passing the time with the sound, with us, and we are discovering that spirulina is able to create our own business. We have all the nutrients in the spirulina. So right now, we realize it can be our medicine today. So right now, we have our small laboratory, and we are going to prepare our medicine right now. Welcome to Objectif Santé, your well-being channel, which will allow you to master spirulina and reduce the unemployed rest and to fight against malnutrition, and right now how to recover ourselves with spirulina. I'm Dr. Nature. I'm going to make you discover the healthy medicine. When you are going to apply it, you will live in the healthy body, you will live a long time, and you will live free to move everywhere, and you will be very happy. So spirulina is a medicine too. But what is medicine? It's something we're able to prevent disease or are able to cure ourselves when you are sick. So spirulina is able to do all that. What does medicine recover has? In the medicine, we have heterosides, we have tannin, we have alkaloids, we have vitamin, we have mineral salts. There are something inside which that what we say, you say something is a medicine. When you look at spirulina is green, you have a color green because of chlorophyll. And chlorophyll is able to capture energy of the sounds, and when you eat it, that energy will set in yourself and transform all your organism, and that energy will get out of all the potential diseases which are setting in your cells. We have in our spirulina some nutrients which are able to transform the colors in blue. And that substance in there, we are transforming our water blue, is such a vaccine. That substance we transform our water blue is able to strengthen our defense, to strengthen our the different we have in our organism. So it can help us to defend our organism. That substance we transform your water on blue able to give us the strongest and to fight against all the kind of the sort of dangerous or of toxin we are able to destroy us. So in the spirulina, we have another nutrient which transform our hemoglobin and gives us a lot of oxygen. That's why we are always have the blood, the better blood. So we have to produce and sell spirulina. And when you do that, when you will produce spirulina in your balcony or your roof, spirulina will produce oxygen. We will transform the living of the people on your house. So spirulina have the capacity to recover us. So right now we are going to do it, to transform it and powder, transform into tablet. And we need only 10 grams of spirulina to do it, to recover the big cigarettes and hard patients. And you can't multiply our mitosis and renew all our cells. And we can become younger. So together, we are going to transform together into tablets and in pills. It's very easy because you add nothing and you mix nothing. You take only spirulina and you put it in your machine. It's very, look at what I'm doing, and we produce our tablet with here how we do in the traditional method, because I cannot look at that the tablet we did without adding anything, that only spirulina we put in that machine and we produce our tablet with. So that tablets are only spirulina. And when you weigh it, it's about 1,000 grams. And we put that in our box and we write on that box spirulina 5,000 grams. To help you, because of your ways, you will eat it, you will have it, your tablet. How to use spirulina in order to recover ourselves? It depends on our ways. It's taken according to ways. Spirulina is always taken depending on age, because spirulina is a nutritional supplement also. You can have 2 tablets in the morning, 2 tablets in the morning, 2 tablets in the evening. As is natural, your organism will take all the special things, the secrets which are in the spirulina, and consume it and get out of you all the disease. And your organisms are able to, when they are well food, to get out of all the strange thing inside, and in order to recover yourself. You can fight against all this kind of disease with spirulina. When will recover yourself, you will reduce your tablet in order to maintain your organism because spirulina is also a nutritional supplement and you can use it all the time when you want. If the sickness are big, we can't multiply your tablet because you have to know the nature can't destroy you. And when you recover yourself, you can reduce your quantity of spirulina and have it, and you will live a long time. Ladies and gentlemen, we come at a big beginner. We have to subscribe in my channel and to click on the like, and I need your comment. When I will reply you, I will help the other member of our group to improve their knowledge. Thank you very much. See you for the latest video.